Good morning, everyone. This is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. I'm here to let you know who your video star of the week is. Now, this person has nothing to do with crochet, knitting, any of the fiber arts, okay? But this person has everything to do with tenacity, resilience, determination. Let me tell you who we're talking about here. We're talking about a young man who's only 6 years old. And if you ever get up in the morning and think you can't do it, I want you to check out this young man. This young man that I speak of, his name is Cash Harris. And he was born with a condition called spina bifida. Sorry about the background noise. But he was born with a condition called spina bifida. And a lot of things that they thought he was not going to be able to do, this young man is learning to stand on his own, to transition from his chair to the bed, to take steps, to get across like doorways and things like that. You just have to watch his videos. Okay, he is absolutely awesome. Now, his father's name is Chase, and he's in the music industry, but you can tell that he's had some form of being a physical trainer somewhere, because he is like the biggest cheerleader for his son, and so is his mom. She happens to be a nurse. His dad's name is Chase. His mom's name is Carly, and he has an older sister named Charlie. Now, his mom is kind of camera shy, but they're bringing her into this. Now, Cash, also known as Bubba, has aspirations to be a Paralympian. And I think he can do it. He can shoot basketballs. He is amazing. I'm telling you, he is absolutely amazing. And with all the support that he has, if you can't do anything but watch his videos, I implore you to do that. Watch his videos, his shorts, his videos. You can see how big of a cheerleader his father is. Cheerleaders his family. He is a devoted Dallas Maverick fan. They're even on board with him. The least you can do is watch his videos from beginning to end. I'm just saying, the little man is awesome. He is awesome. I'm telling you, if you ever have any down moments, look him up, and I guarantee you think you going through something, look at what he's conquering. And I do mean conquering. I have down here, I research every video star that I have, and I have down here that he is a mark of belief, strength, tenacity, determination, love, and patience, and his family shows the true definition of a support system. He is absolutely amazing. You can find him on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. His channel page here on YouTube is Chase_Cashman13, and you'll see where it says Chase and Bubba. I will put the other platforms that he's on. I don't have their names, but I'm pretty sure if you look up Chase and Bubba, you can find him. Trust me. But just what I've seen on YouTube is absolutely astonishing. You guys have to go check him out if you want any type of inspiration at all. He is the one to bring it to you. Don't forget, in everything that you do, be bold. Cash is. Be brave. Cash is. Be of love. Cash family is. And behave. I'm kind of working on that one. But know that I'm always watching. Until we see each other again on these YouTube streets.